Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. If you not watching the previous video on BODMAS, so visit our YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel most helpful for you. Now this answer here you can see the answer is not 8. So how we will get the answer 8 when we simplify the according to BODMAS. For 4 divide 2. 4 divide 2 is 2. Then 2 multiply 2 is 4. So 4 multiply 2 is 8. How? Here 4 divide 2. It means 2 and 2 multiply 2. So 2 multiply 2 is 4 multiply with 2. So 8. This is the wrong method. How we will get the right answer? 4 divide 2. First of all, we write the same. 4 divide 2 and 2 multiply 2 is 4. Okay, 2 multiply 2 is 4. Now 4 divide 2 for the 8. Now 4 divide 8 is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.